of the marshaller. The marshaller is the one that guides the aircraft to move along its course. While it's now directing the aircraft to its final stop, there are these two wingtip guides, which in case of any emergency, they have to advise the marshaller to stop the aircraft if there is any untoward incidents that might happen on the aircraft. As you can see, the aircraft is now moving forward. It is directed by the marshaller. He is now pointing either to the left or to the right to direct the aircraft to its final stop. And as you can see, he's now slowing it down. And come to a full stop. And once the aircraft comes to its full stop, the marshaller should signal the pilot to shut down the engine, place the chock, and release the parking brake. Once that they have completed the marshalling of the aircraft, the marshaller should inform the bridge operator to connect the bridge, and at the same time advise all the aircraft servicing to continue with the aircraft servicing, such as laboratory servicing and loading and unloading of the cargo.